Hello everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode on this channel. Today we have a clash of the Titans Hypercar, a battle that has car enthusiasts all over the world talking. It's the Rimac Nevera versus the Koenigsegg Regera. We will watch and decide who would win in a head-to-head matchup, so let's watch the video and enjoy. For quick recap of specification, the Nevera boasts a futuristic design with sharp lines and aerodynamic features. Its carbon fiber monocoque chassis keeps it lightweight and incredibly strong. The Rimac can produce 1900 horsepower with electric motor, and its top speed of 258 miles per hour, with a staggering 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 1.85 seconds, the Nevera is currently the fastest production car in the world. Meanwhile, the Koenigsegg Regera, a hybrid hypercar with a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and 3 electric motors. Regera also have direct drive system, eliminating the need for a traditional gearbox. When it comes to performance, the Regera doesn't disappoint either. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.8 seconds and a top speed of 255 miles per hour, it's a true speed demon. For the data, we will use the time from GOODWOOD Festival of Speed for both these hypercar, and we will see who is faster between both of them.
And off the line it goes. It's able to do 0 to 60 in 1.7 seconds. It's that kind of machine, and already it is rapid through the first section, 4.49 seconds to the 100 meters, and then up through into the next stage.
Yep, so blazing underneath the bridge, now kissing a little bit of glass. You can see that the ABS is kicking in as it throws it into Malcolm Corner, a corner where we see plenty of cars ending up in the hay bales as it charges all the way up the hill now, dabbing on the brakes just to get the front end in, going past the wall there, which can really make you feel quite claustrophobic. As you can see again, ABS kicking in to bring it up now, heading up towards the start line to set our first time in the shootout.
And I tell you what, this is going to be a pretty good time. Let's see, yeah, 49.32. That is truly competitive.
And yep, the Rimac Nevera can get 49.32 second for the time in GOODWOOD Festival of Speed, and make this car a record for fastest road production car. Meanwhile, let's see how much is the time for Koenigsegg Regera. Koenigsegg Regera have slightly slower time with 51 seconds. And yeah, even it's fast, but this is still slower than the time from Nevera. Make the Nevera still be the fastest production on GOODWOOD on this time. So yeah, the Rimac get the record for fastest time now, and that is the hypercar battle we already see and watch. What is your thought on this? You can say it too on the comment below. The next, maybe we will still make a battle video again for these two automotive manufacturers, so stay tuned for more. And there you have it, the quick battle of the Rimac Nevera versus the Koenigsegg Regera on the GOODWOOD Festival of Speed Time Attack. Hope you enjoy. These two iconic hypercars have left an indelible mark on the automotive world. While choosing a winner in a head-to-head matchup is a tough call, both of these cars are winners in their own right. So thank you for watching. See you on next video.
To the fullest.